Assalamu alaikum, I'm Dahil bin Mushfiq. My ID is 181015552. Today we are going to build a home automation system project. For the format of this project, we have used Arduino. First, I have defined the pin numbers. This is our setup function. We have set up the pin mode with the pin numbers we have defined before. Also, we have initialized the serial begin with a baud rate of 9600. After getting all the values, we are going to go through some conditions. First, we are going to check the value from the PIR sensor. If the value is high, it will indicate that a human is present. So we will turn on the light and also the green LED by passing them a high value. We're also going to check if the temperature is greater than 25. If that's the case, we're going to turn on the fan as well by passing it a high value. Otherwise, if no human is present in the room, so there is no meaning of keeping the fan or the light turned on, so we're going to turn them off by passing them a low value. Now we're going to check the value from the gas sensor. If the value is high, we're going to turn on the buzzer. Otherwise, we're going to pass a message that says no smoke was detected. And finally, we're going to print all the necessary messages. Now we need to export the compiled binary, which I have done, as you can see. And this hex file will be used in the Proteus circuit.
My name is Aftab Rahman and my ID is 1810107. In this project we used a PIR sensor, a gas sensor, a humidity sensor and a temperature sensor and connected them with a Arduino. The PIR sensor will detect if anyone is present in the room, and if anyone is present in the room lamp will turn on, and if the temperature of the room is higher than 25 degrees Celsius, then the fan will start to rotate. And also the green light will indicate the presence of anyone in the room, and the red light will turn on if anyone is not present. The gas sensor detects any kind of harmful gas or smoke and the buzzer starts to beep. Let's see. Here are the values. If uh, if the PIR sensor is on, if someone is in the room, then we can see the lamp turns on, but the fan is still not rotating because the temperature is low. If I increase the temperature, then the fan starts to rotate, and if there is any kind of smoke, then the buzzer beeps. That's it. That's it for me.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saad Ahmed Turjo. Now I am going to describe the front view of the lab view. First of all, we have taken a table of control including 5 elements, of which the first two are date and time. The 3 elements following are the temperature, smoke and humidity. Now for temperature we have taken 3 elements, of which are temperature chart, temperature thermometer and an LED indicator. Whenever the value of the temperature goes greater or equal to the level of 57, the LED indicator will turn from green to red instantly. Similarly, for smoke system we also have a smoke bar, which is vertical program bar, and a smoke chart. Whenever the level of on the bar goes greater or equal to the level of 0.8, it turns from green to red. Similarly, likewise, we also have for humidity, we have a humidity chart and a humidity meter. Whenever the meter goes to a value of greater than or equal to 80%, the LED indicator shows red. For all of this connection, we have used two OR gates, so that whenever the level touches the danger level, it changes its LED light from green to red instantly. So we have also used while loop so that we can keep on taking the inputs. So that will be all from my side. Thank you all.
I am Mohammed Nafidul Alam and my ID is 181101080, and here is a block diagram of home automation system, and here we have temperature sensor, smoke sensor, humidity sensor and a PR sensor. With the help of this we are going to detect human presence, or we are going to turn on the light or fan on and fire indicator. So here are my readings, and here is my array table, and here is a time delay function of 2000 milliseconds. Here PR sensor will detect the human presence, and as soon as the PR sensor will detect the human presence, the light will be turned on, and if PR sensor detects any human presence and the temperature is more than 25 degrees Celsius, the fan will be turned on. Here we connect this through an OR gate, and when the value of the smoke sensor will be high, that fire indicator will be turned on, and it will give an alarm of fire. So that's it.
After pairing them using virtual put serial driver, now let's try to run them. Let's wait for a bit for it to stabilize. Just a few seconds. As you can see, at first, all of them are turned off. Now let's try to change some values. When a human is present, you will see that the light and the human presence LED has been turned on. But the fan is still turned off. Let's try to increase the temperature. Now the fan has been turned on after it exceeded 25 degrees Celsius. Now let's try to increase the humidity. Now the humidity indicator has been turned red. Finally, let's see when smoke is detected, the buzzer will turn on and the fire indicator has been turned red. And you can also see the changes in the graph as well. So that was our project. Thank you very much.